Hi, welcome to my channel, which I called Excel in Excel. In this channel, we would put up videos, and those videos will focus on learning spreadsheet modeling. That is to create business models using Excel, and we'll be extensively using Excel functions. In other words, we will not be using the tools of Excel, for example, the ones that are available at click and go mostly. So those are not the tools that we're using here. The focus here is to have models which can be reused. That means change the values and the results will change as expected. And this we will do through Excel functions. So each of the videos will cover one or more concepts, and one would require to practice side by side if one really wants to understand how to use them. So we'll start with some very basic concepts and then slowly start building up on those. Uh, the idea is once we know how to model, once we know how to use Excel functions, we will stop working hard and we'll start working smart. So the idea is writing codes, or rather writing formula which can be reused. So the reusability is the most important part, and if there are places or cases where we need to write the similar formula again and again and again, we should be able to generalize the formula, which we should be able to copy it across multiple cells of Excel. In other words, this will specially emphasize on how one can become lazy, write one and reuse as much as possible. So that's the focus. Before we start with the videos, just a short note on the genesis of this channel. Once I was ending a course, and one of the students came up to me and said, "Sir, you must be having an YouTube channel." And of course, my answer that time was no. And he said, "Wish you had one, because if you had, it would have allowed us to look back at different discussions that we had in class, or at least the basic concepts that we had in class." So I thank him for inspiring me to come up with this channel. I don't know how much difference I'll be able to make to anybody's learning, but if you feel that this videos has helped you a bit, uh, it would be great if you can subscribe to the channel.